Oh no, this is a video.
Well, for the fans.
Ready to go? Go interview people. This is Hoodie String Interviews. Good morning. It is 6:16. I have been up for an hour. But it's gonna be a good day because I'm about to go to a cycling class and work off all this energy. Yeah, let's go. Gym fit, there's like no lighting here. I'm starving and I'm about to destroy some pre-workout in a granola bar. I don't actually know if shorts today. Alexa, what's the temperature? Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, expect a high of 62
I should find my
degrees.
shorts. I'm actually so excited because I haven't done a spinning class in forever. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. It's definitely cold. I'm early. This never happens. We just finished, guys. Oh shit. Don't walk and bike and vlog at the same time.
We finished cycle. It was very good.
It was a great class. We had a great instructor. It was a sleigh moment. Exactly.
It was such a sleigh.
Now it's bagels time.
And now we're hungry.
Yeah. Look how pretty it is today.
So nice.
It's 55.
It's so good.
8 in the morning. It's actually gorgeous today.
It's good.
It's good.
Guys, it's 8 in the morning. Where are you?
Me when Einstein bagel. They don't automatically toast bagels here, which I think is interesting. Like yum, but I don't like capers, so. Biking after a spin class is really, really weird. I'm huge. It's time for a shower. It is such a sweat day today because it's kind of cold. I very much regret not wearing pants earlier today, but it's fine. So, also I just got this I literally haven't used it yet. Revlon Color Stay Line Creator, so straight up. Okay, this is the liquid. Oh no, it's this type. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like a pen. I'm just gonna send it and see if I can make this work. I'm just okay. I did mascara. I don't hate it. I'm gonna make it work. Me bringing my mini microphone to class with me, hoping it works, but not too sure. Isn't that fun? Right, Carson? Do you have anything you'd like to say to the people?
I think I like phonetics.
Hello, everyone. It's mini microphone test day 1, vlogging in public style. I'm joined with my colleague. Oh, fuck, I turned it off. It's fine. I think it's back on now. I'm gonna have to keep this on me at all times now, in case I run into the one and only Steven Shapiro and I get the chance to interview him. Or that guy who got me with the, what's the square root of 1/2? I'm gonna be getting him. I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna have this on me. All times. What do you have to say about our physics class?
I have a 57.
That's unfortunate. What's your opinion on the political status of the ant colony?
I think they need to revolutionize and fight against the queen ant.
I actually think that's a really good idea. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, this is test 1 of the microphone. Seeing how far I can take this. I'm in No, I just had physics. This is phonetics. This is Hoodie String Interviews. I'm here with Aaron. What's your opinion on the revolt being planned in the ant pile next to my house? I think it's a very serious topic. I would agree. Care to elaborate? It's gonna have a lot of impact on everything, and a lot of people are gonna be affected. Thank you for your time. All my classes are donezies, and I'm so hungry. It's nap time and a snack time. Home time. I have homework to do before Vegas tomorrow. What? My hair is like wind tossed perfection curls. It's also a little raining. My phone's about to die also. I'm about to nap so hard. So hard. I did not mean to sleep for that long. My contacts are so dry. Like, listen. I wonder what the microphone's gonna do when I do that. Hold on. Anyways, like my makeup stayed good. Like eyeliner was like really good. I wonder if that sounded like anything. If it did, I'm submitting this clip to Daily Dose of Internet. This microphone has been off the entire time. This pains me. Anyways, I'm just gonna go in my closet now. Just gonna. Oh my gosh, wait, you guys can probably hear what I'm saying here. Wait, I don't know if you can see me though. I'm going to assume that you are good because you haven't told me that you can't see me. This feels good. This feels good. Okay. Let me. Sorry, my closet is an absolute mess. I'm gonna stop recording now. Because if I don't, I'm going to have 10 minutes on my phone and I won't be able to record the rest of the trip. I'm almost unpacking for a 3-day trip. That is 3 days of things. College. Filming a sign language video for my students. Good morning. It is Vegas day. Let's get ready fast so we can go. Hello, it's Vegas time. Let's go. Okay, Elon is mic'd up. He's ready to go. Go interview people.
Oh, I'm interviewing you?
Yeah, interview whoever you want.
Okay. My first victim is Morgan Pochas. So Morgan.
You have a microphone.
So Morgan.
There you go.
What's your favorite animal?
I think my favorite animal is probably a dog. It's so cliche.
Great answer, Morgan. Hey, Morgan. Say. What are some of your aspirations?
To graduate in
That's awesome.
environmental engineering.
Oh, wow.
No one wants this.
More aspirations.
Great stuff, Morgan.
So this is Drewski Savierto, and this is Benjamin Steinberg, and we're here to give him a pregame interview. Now, Ben, what are you looking forward to most about this trip?
Not really sure, just like, being around the brothers, doing that.
And what about being around the brothers excites you?
Being around your friends in college, you only live once,
Now, what are you looking forward to least about this trip?
I cannot comment on that matter at all.
No?
Nope.
So I honestly don't know if
I've ever been more ready in my entire life to play golf. The conditions are, winds are coming out of the northeast, about 5 knots, so it's going to be a little bit into effect today, but as long as you play against the wind, so I think we'll be good today. Yeah.
What are your expectations?
A lot of beers, and I'm going to dinner Friday, so that's an expectation.
Today is Friday.
I'm going to dinner tonight, so a lot of beers and dinner tonight, and then another dinner tomorrow, and that's about all I know.
I like it. Sounds good.
That's about all I know. Thank you.
Yeah. About this upcoming trip. Oh, we're taking a picture? Okay.
Oh no, this is a video.
Well, for the fans, no?
Are
you not one of the fans?
It's in the middle of a video.
Do you want me to sign something?
Oh yes, here.
What are your expectations for your trip this weekend?
I plan to remember none of it.
That's a good plan. Are you excited for this trip?
Yeah. Though my lawyer said I shouldn't say anything.
I respect that.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I wish you the best.
Thanks. I'm going around.
Editor Sydney here. Yeah, the microphone was off for all the interviews. I'm now at a penthouse.
The vlog.
The vlog.
One bite. You can go on the vlog.
Oh yeah.
Or you like individual?
I really prefer the vanilla.
He's the pro. He's the pro. One bite. There it goes. One bite. Everybody knows the rules.
I saw it. It's a very thick. For the icing ratio,
Okay.
like that. Like, what are we doing here? So,
Elevator music. Look at this. Oh my god. We're in Vegas. Very cool. We're walking down to New York. The New York coaster has been a success. Crushed it, front row, and kind of cute here. Getting ready for the dinner. I can't curl my own hair, so if you know how to curl hair and you want to teach me, let me know. I don't know. Don't look at the shoes. Don't look at the shoes.
come here, Daddy.
Nice job.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
What's up, guys? Here in beautiful Las Vegas.
Corner of.
It's approximately 7:50 p.m.
What's in the cup?
Corner of what? Corner of what?
Okay.
Corner of Washington and Maryland.
One sip, everybody knows the rules. One sip, everybody knows the rules.
What is? Tell us what you're even having.
Reno 911 and coffee ice cream. And coffee. The coffee's okay. Oh my god.
What's the score?
I think he likes it.
What's the score?
I also
Score?
got Reno 911.
8-7.
Very good.
8-7. We heard that. We heard an 8-7. We heard an 8-7.
I think this is cool. In the city, doing Venetian things.
Doing Venetian things.
By the Venetian. F1. Yeah, I am vlogging. Good night, Vegas. Hello, just want to thank you guys all so very much for watching to this point in the video. If you are watching, be sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind later. and it really, you know, helps out the channel a bit. Also, leave a like if you thought this was cool and interesting, and maybe you want to go to Vegas now on your own. That'd be pretty cool. Hey. Anyways, if you're in this video, I love you. I love you. You're great. You're awesome. You're cool. So, thank you for watching. Thank you all for watching. Hit that notification bell as well, so that way you don't miss a video.